Hi friends, welcome to Bitcoin Jam channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today we are going to do a detailed analysis of Veracity, that is VRA. We will analyze both VRA USDT chart and VRA BTC chart. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel so that I can bring more content to you. Also, I am not a financial advisor. Whatever I am sharing over here are entirely my views. Please do your own research and then take a decision. So currently we are looking at a VRA VSDT chart, and this is a zoomed out chart. So we are looking at the entire VRA journey. If we see that this was a major consolidation time for VRA, this channel in which it consolidated for almost 11 months. This was the consolidation which has given the strength to this entire wave, and the major breakthrough that happened was once it broke this downwards channel. I'll change the color to highlight this. Once we broke this downward channel and we started an entirely new wave, this was the channel that we broke and we just started an entire wave. And how can we say that we started this wave? Because we started creating higher highs and higher lows. So that is the most important indicator to show that the wave or the chart is an uptrending chart, as we are creating new highs and new lows. Also, to analyze the strength of this chart, let's use Fibonacci, and if we see this entire move, I'll zoom this. If we see this entire move, as you can see that the price has not even broken 0.236 level, which is insanely bullish in my opinion. This is an extremely bullish trending asset. I have not considered the wick of the highest candle. If I consider the wick, then also we are ranging almost above 0.382 level. This is the 0.382 level. This is 0.382 level. We are holding it well, but if we don't consider the wick of the candle and if we consider just the body of the candle, then I think we are above 0.236. Kindly excuse guys, as this is I am doing this entire analysis on my tablet. I don't have a laptop or a computer with me because I'm traveling constantly, and so it's not as convenient as you do the analysis on laptop, but I am doing my best. So let us again see this strength in the Fibonacci, and I'll zoom it and I'll show it to you. If we take Fib from here where it started lowest low, and if we don't consider the wick but only the body of the candle, then you can see that it is ranging above 0.236. This is the 0.236 level. 0.236 is $0.015, and you can see we are holding it very well. This is an extremely bullish scenario. The best thing that can happen is we can range over here and then go for another higher high. This is a likely possibility that I see. But what I want to share with you is that even if we come down to 0.2332 or 0.5, then also we are in an extremely bullish scenario. This is amazing. Let's look at VRA BTC. Wow. You can see it is almost similar to VRA USDT chart. VRA BTC is almost similar. This was the consolidation, almost a year-long consolidation majorly in this channel. It also created a downward channel. It is so similar to VRA USDT chart. Almost identical. Let me highlight this with another color. So it went for a year-long consolidation, then it started a downward channel, and once it broke this downward channel, it created new high and a new high, a lower, higher low, another higher low. So if we check the fib of this wave, see, it's holding 0.236. It's very identical to USDT chart. This is amazing. Let us see this in a 4-hour chart. And you can see this is so bullish. This is really great. As I told you that both charts are very identical. Let us look at VRA USDT. And okay, this is also 4-hour chart. I'll zoom it. You can see they are very identical. So this is holding really well. If I use my indicators that I see to judge the targets, so let me see what targets are we getting. As you can see, this has become a pivot point now on a 4-hour chart for me. That is $0.016, and it's holding it very well. So if we start a new wave from here, then I see that it will at least go till $0.07. This is now possible in my opinion. Again, this is entirely my opinion. I can be wrong and it's not a guarantee. So please do your research. But what my analysis are telling me is that we are going to see a $0.07 price that is achievable. I don't know when. It can happen next week, it can happen next month, it can happen after 2 months. There is no guarantee of time. But since the trend is holding 0.236 level and the kind of bullish market that we are in, I see it happening sooner than later. But again, there is no guarantee. Markets are very funny, and so do your own research, have your own risk management with you. But this is extremely bullish sign in my opinion, and I think $0.07 is an achievable target that we should aspire. This is on a USDT chart. If we see a BTC chart on a 4-hour level, let me delete some of this. Then even on the BTC chart, this has now become a pivot point. So wow, on a BTC chart, this is giving us a next highest target of 12,742 satoshis, and this is amazing. If we are able to reach this on a Bitcoin chart, and say Bitcoin is appreciating 2 to 5% when we do this entire move, then I think on a USDT chart we will see targets going higher. If we do this and we consider that Bitcoin, the price of Bitcoin at that time is around say 60k, and if we achieve this, then the USDT price will change. Similarly, if the price of Bitcoin is at 70k and if we achieve this, so you can see the price can change. But one thing that this chart is showing me is that VRA is not done yet, and there is immense upward possibility in my opinion. So look out for VRA, and I think there are a lot of upward plays still left in this, and this wave is not done yet. So that's it for a VRA detailed analysis. Please follow me on Instagram, Twitter. There is a lot of good stuff as I put over there. As you can see that I shared about VRA for the first time when I started my Instagram. This was on September of 2020, and on 18 September 2020 I had shared about VRA, and at that time it was one of my 10x gem. But from there we have already achieved, I guess, more than 35-40x. When we entered in VRA, it was 1.6 million MCAP, and today it's almost 70 million MCAP, and I think it can go very high. So do follow me, because I keep sharing about different gems and I keep sharing about different targets, and I hope that I can be of some help to you. Thank you very much for looking at this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.